In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add auto captions to the videos in Canva. I already added the same video, as you can see, video with captions. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this rotating text animation in Canva. So the quick and easy way, we are going to the text. Here we have a captions. Click on the captions. And first we can choose different styles, but I always using my own, so we can find lots of preset styles. As you can see, plenty of ones, but not necessary to use them. Then later you can make your own. Then here we can select which part we would like to use. For this one is easy because there is only one, but if I had more than one videos here, we can choose like in the same way as we are downloading, for example, multiple pages. And here we just generate captions. It's already done. So as we can see, we have the captions already. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this rotating text animation in Canva. But if you would like to do it more eye-catching, so we need to do some settings. First of all, here we have this captions button. When we click on it, we see the transcript, and we can even edit here. And here we can choose the style if we want, but I don't want to do it now. And as all the other text, we can change the font type, font size. I'm always using the 64 and just increasing the box from side to side. Then we can add the color. I always use the yellow. We can use the different styling things, what we normally have in any other text. We can have the effect. I use the effect, I use the outline. I prefer to use the outline. In this case, the text is separated a bit better than a video. And here we have the animate function. We have three different animations. We have this reveal animation. We have the highlight, and we have the snake animation with underline. I normally use the highlight, but not with black. I'm changing the color to red. And now we can see the final outcome. Quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this rotating text animation in Canva. I really like it. So that's a really quick and easy way to add auto captions in Canva, and even we can create with our own style, which is also pretty amazing. We do not have just the preset ones, which already has plenty of them. But if you would like to be a bit unique and you would like to use always with your one style, which is really nice. This is also important when somebody see the video and saw this style of the captions, already know this is you, not using a preset one, or same as when it's happening with other softwares and most of the people using the same style. Then that's not unique. Much better if you have some unique style. That's always a win-win situation. We have a unique. First of all, it's you. You can change lots of things like the font style with the type, the size, and everything. Then even the color or the style or the effects, animation. So that's important to have your unique style. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. Please also check the description of the video where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Plus, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me even with a smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I already mentioned, you can find all the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.